Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change theme on Tonkeeper wallet. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Tonkeeper wallet app and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you do this, by default you are going to see this deep blue theme, but if you want to change your theme into dark or light, then you need to tap on this gear icon or the settings icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you will be landed on the settings page. Now over here you are going to see this theme option, and right next to it you are going to see the theme that you are currently using, which in my case is the deep blue theme. But if you want to change your theme, then you just have to tap on the themes tab, and here you will be able to see dark, light and your system option. So if you tap on dark, your Tonkeeper wallet will become dark. If you tap on light, then it will become light, and if you tap on the system, then it will automatically take whichever theme that you are using in your system, whether it is dark or light, and it will show you your Tonkeeper wallet in the same theme. So this is how you can easily get dark or light theme or change your theme on Tonkeeper wallet. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.